Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm at it again with the plastic bottle bracelet. Let's go. You might want to get the bracelet pattern. I have a free download where you can just download this for free from my shop if you just want the pattern, or you could make your own. You can find the link in the description. I'm using this cutter to cut it out, and then I'm going to trim it with my scissors after I get it cut out in general. I forgot to put felt on the list. I'm going to cut this piece of felt to go inside the bracelet. I cut some small pieces of this dark denim because I wanted to add that to my design, but I ended up taking it off. So we're going to skip this part. I'm pouring my tacky glue into my little plate just to make it easier when I soak my denim. I'm putting my pattern under some clear plastic because I want to use it as a guide without getting it all messed up with my glue. Now what I'm doing is putting rolls and crinkles in my denim. I I want to get it to the shape of my pattern, but you'll see it takes me quite a while to get, some kind of a pattern in here. And here I'm adding more tacky glue because I'm trying to get my denim to shape into a form that I want. Here's where I'm pulling out the little dark blue pieces that I had. It's not going to work for what I'm trying to do. I'm using a little weeding tool to kind of help shape my denim. It's really a it's really a process to get the denim to stay into some kind of a shape that's going to match the form that I'm using, the pattern that I'm using. So I'm finally moving toward the shape that I want. So that's what I'm doing, is checking my pattern to see if I'm close. Now I'm going to add tacky glue to my base, to my bracelet base. As I attach the denim, I'm going to fold over some of it on the back and then try to keep the folds that I made for my design. I should have cut the ends a little bit because I really had too much fabric at the ends. You'll see later that I'm going to have to cut some of it to thin it out. I'm going to cut some more of this because it's just too thick toward the end. So I'm going to cut some of this fabric out to thin it out so it won't be so bulky. The clips will hold the ends down until they dry. Now it's dried a little bit, so I'm going to attach the felt to the inside. And even though I used my pattern to cut it, it's a little bit too large, so I'll trim it down so that it fits nicely inside. I need to poke a hole on each end so that I could attach my closure. I'm using a lobster clasp and a jump ring to close it. I'm going to seal it with this matte Mod Podge. I prefer to use matte on the denim because if I use gloss, it would give it a shine, and the matte allows it to maintain its natural look. As you can see, this was a lot of work, but I'm very happy with the outcome. This is what it just looks so cool, and I'm going to show you how it matches the earring blanks that I've been making. So let me show you this. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Give me a hype. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I so appreciate my subscribers and everyone who watches my videos. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.